I remember when I walked into my first organic chemistry class, I really had no idea what organic chemistry was. And I also remember that when I walked in, I was pretty concerned because organic chemistry has this reputation for being a very difficult course, especially amongst the sciences. And I think if I had a better idea of what organic chemistry was, I would have been less concerned about it because I would have realized that it's actually, the idea of what organic chemistry is not so daunting. And what I'd like to do in this video is I'd like to explain, having now taken organic chemistry, what organic chemistry is, and hopefully that will make people feel more comfortable in their first class in organic chemistry in their first couple lessons. And so I think organic chemistry is very similar to baking, and you're probably listening to this and thinking, what are you, nuts? You think it's similar to baking? It's chemistry. It's like I feel like it's so far from baking. But I would like to compare it to baking. And the reason I'd like to compare it to this is because when you bake a cake, you need to know which ingredients are needed for that cake. And you also need to know what order to put those ingredients in, right? Like, for example, if you are baking a cake, well, you know you're going to need the eggs and the flour and the milk, and you're going to need some other ingredients like sugar and water. And if you put all those ingredients together, that would make a cake. But you need to know what order to put those in, and you need to know at what temperature to bake the cake. And organic chemistry is not that different from baking. In organic chemistry, you have your starting off ingredients, which chemists like to call reagents. And when you have all of these reagents, you need to learn what order to put these reagents in and how these reagents work with each other to make desired products or to make a cake in our analogy. And so that's really all organic chemistry is. It's learning about the different ingredients that you have as a chemist and how you can use those ingredients to make the product that you'd like or the chemical that you would like. And in the following videos, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be breaking down different types of ingredients and the different ways that you can manipulate those ingredients to make a variety of different cakes, or we'll call products.